Hey rosebuds, thanks for joining me. The rose that I want to share with you today is Baron Girod de L'Ain. This rose is really unique, and you can identify it by the frilly blooms and then the white edging on the petals. Let's see, I've had this rose now, this is its third season. I do have sawfly larvae. If you're new to my channel, you know that I'm an organic gardener. Look at this. Look at that. That is the culprit. Let's see. It is black spot resistant here on its first flush, and looking at the overall width and habit of this rose, it is about 3 foot wide and it's sprawling a little bit. It's a hybrid perpetual, and I would say that it is 3.5 foot wide. Let me see if it has a scent. I am not detecting a scent at all on this rose. But if you're looking for a unique red, I hope that you will consider Baron. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.